Good morning, friends. Welcome back. Today we will discuss the changes around us. In previous class, we already discussed some changes, slow change and fast change. The changes that take place in a longer duration of time are called slow change. Fast change, the changes that take place quickly or in a shorter duration of time are called fast change. Let us compare slow change. Some examples of slow changes are changes of season, growth of a plant, rusting of iron. Fast change, example of fast changes are burning of paper, lighting of bulb, cutting an apple. These are the fast change. Now, do you know rust is a reddish brown substance which is formed due to corrosion of iron. Rust is formed when iron reacts with moisture and the oxygen present in air. We can prevent rusting by painting, greasing, or covering the iron objects with a layer of zinc metal. See the diagram. These are iron article. Reversible and irreversible changes. Do some activity. Take out an ice tray from the freezer or refrigerator and keep it outside at room temperature. You will observe that the ice will slowly melt and change into water. Now put the tray back into the freezer and examine it after 2 hours. You will notice that the water again changes into ice. This shows that a change can be reversible, that is, it can occur in two opposite directions. Now in here ice firstly melts to water and वाटर को जब आप रेफ्रिजरेटर में अगेन प्लेस करेंगे देन फ्रीजेज एंड कन्वर्टेड इनटू आइस. रिवर्सिबल चेंज है दिस द कन्वर्जन ऑफ वाटर इनटू आइस एंड वाइस वर्सा. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी, टेक अ पीस ऑफ पेपर एंड बर्न इट. You will observe that the paper will change into ash. In this case, you cannot reverse the process and get back the paper. Hence, this is an irreversible change. Such a change can occur only in one direction. पेपर को बर्न करेंगे, ऐश बन जाएगी, मीन्स एक ही डायरेक्शन में प्रोसेस हो जाएगा. ऐश से आप अगेन पेपर क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते. Now this is the diagram of paper burning. Irreversible change, paper turns into ash on burning. Let us compare these two types of changes. Reversible change, a change in which the substance produced can get back to the original form is called a reversible change. In irreversible change, a change in which the substance produced cannot get back to the original form is called an irreversible change. Reversible change, these are temporary changes which can be reversed when the cause of the change is removed. In irreversible change, these are permanent changes which cannot be reversed even if the cause of the change is removed. Some examples of reversible changes are freezing of water, evaporation, stretching of rubber string, switching on or off a light bulb. Some examples of irreversible changes are changing of duff into chapatis, making a dress from a single piece of cloth, getting older, making curd from milk. These all are irreversible changes. Now friends, what is reversible change? And what is irreversible change? Give some examples of reversible change. Give some examples of irreversible change. This is your homework. Thanks and have a nice day.